That's right, this is the final moment for Tesla stock. Now is the last chance to react and reverse the downtrend. We urgently need to see a reaction that could show signs of a recovery, and guess what? We've got it. And it is a good reaction, of course. Not great, not perfect, but good. And maybe this will do the trick. So let's talk about it. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. It is very nice to see you guys over here. I'm a retail trader who likes to record videos for my YouTube channel. So welcome to the channel. And as we can see here, Tesla is making a few interesting reactions. First, and most important of all, we see a false breakout of a bearish pivot point. As we can see here, Tesla made a bottom and then it bounced back to the 194 and then it made a bottom slightly lower than the previous support level at $180 and $80.06. So okay, we lost the support level over here. However, Tesla did a very nice and particularly strong bullish reaction, closing above the support level, and right now we are bouncing again to the same old 194. So this resistance level over here is indeed our nemesis. If you are bullish on Tesla, this is the key point you want to see Tesla breaking in order to actually reverse the midterm trend, the midterm bearish sentiment. And of course, it is very good to see Tesla rejecting this bearish pivot point, because usually when we see such pattern, we see a very nice recovery afterwards. The only thing missing over here is the breakout of the 194. But again, this is why I'm telling you guys, it is a good reaction. It is always very interesting to see a pivot point getting frustrated, because when this happens, again, usually, most of the time, we see a strong reaction in the opposite direction afterwards. So guys, let's just take a mental picture of this chart over here, to be more specific of this reaction, of this false breakout, of this bearish pivot point, right? Let's take a mental picture of this pattern, because, well, you'll see, I'm not gonna spoiler anything in this video, you'll see. First, let's take a look at SPY right now, because SPY is going up, is clearly bullish. We don't see any top signal. There is not a single top signal on SPY right now at this moment. If I see one, okay, I'm gonna tell you guys, but so far the market is extremely bullish. In fact, we are making a new record high today. In fact, we broke the $500, which was our target, by the way. So, well, congratulations to us. I'm very happy. Yay, that's very good. We broke the $500. Now, QQQ is also making a new record high. The key support level on QQQ is $429. Only by losing this key point over here, I see tech stocks dropping, correcting to lower levels. Probably QQQ is going to trigger a sharper pullback to its 21 EMA on the daily chart, but this is it. Even if we see a pullback, guys, pullbacks are different from reversals, all right? Pullbacks and the reversals are two different things. A pullback in a bull trend, well, most of the time means just another buying opportunity, because the risk-reward ratio is very good. Now, do we see any possibility of a reversal on QQQ? No, there is no possible bearish reversal structure on QQQ right now. And this makes our dear stocks over here, including Tesla, for the first time, including Tesla, because Tesla has been so detached from the broad market for so long. It seems that we are trying to follow the broad market's sentiment. Of course, 194 is our main key point to break, but if we look at Apple, for instance, going up nicely, we found a support level at the 180s over here, and right now we are bouncing back. That's very good. We see Microsoft extremely bullish. Microsoft broke the $3 trillion market cap right here, so it is doing just insane. And we see Amazon making another incredible bullish reaction. Meta is stabilizing, but honestly it went up so much recently that it is okay to see Meta stabilizing over here, only if we lose 453. That's the main support level that could trigger a sharper correction on Meta, but as long as we stay above this key point, great. Meta will remain extremely bullish, and today we see Google and Nvidia exploding more than 2%, Nvidia more than 3% over here. So let's talk about it. First, Nvidia is making a new record high, and what Nvidia is making right here, right now, is a very good example of how we should proceed in this insanely bullish market, because Nvidia has been making a lots of top signals, all right? Many top signals. Yesterday, it did a top signal. You may say, Nathan, this is a shooting star. You are totally correct. It is a shooting star. Nathan, this is a hanging man candlestick pattern. All right, it is a hanging man candlestick pattern. Nathan, we see a doji over here. Yes, it is a doji. Another hanging man. We see another one that could be a doji. We see more hanging mans over here. So during this rally over here, we saw many top signals. What's the problem? The problem is that none of these signals were properly triggered in the first place. So seeing a top signal alone is not enough for us to expect a sharper correction, a sharper pullback, or even a reversal, which is even worse, because in order for Nvidia to actually reverse, we gotta lose many support levels, and so far, so good. We are clearly above all of its support levels, above the 21 EMA. We are clearly making higher highs, higher lows on the 1 hour chart. So there is absolutely nothing to complain about Nvidia. We are still looking very good. I don't know why I have this red line over here. All right, so far, not a single bearish reversal structure on Nvidia, on SPY, on QQQ. We are doing just insane. Google is also going up more than 2% today, and the Tesla is going up almost 2% right here, because apparently the 194 is our major resistance level. But guys, when we analyze the 1 hour chart, we see that Tesla is making higher highs, higher lows already. I know on the daily chart we don't see higher highs, higher lows yet, but on the 1 hour chart we see signals that Tesla is turning bullish right here, because we clearly see higher highs, higher lows. Tesla is trading above the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is pointing upwards. So what do we see over here? What we see here is a crystal clear trap zone. It is a trap zone because Tesla is getting squeezed by the 21 EMA on the 1 hour chart, squeezed against its major resistance level at 194. So as the time passes over here, we see the price getting squeezed in a tighter area, because the 21 EMA is acting as a reliable support level for Tesla. So eventually we gotta see a breakout. We just don't know to which direction this breakout is gonna be. Of course, in theory, an upwards breakout is the ideal scenario, because in my humble opinion, Tesla is oversold. Okay, it is oversold. It is quite hard to imagine Tesla dropping and crashing to much lower levels from here without making a proper bounce. All right, so I do believe that Tesla is going to bounce to higher levels. So yes, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I am 100% bullish on Tesla right now. At this moment, I have been bullish since we triggered this bullish pivot point on the 1 hour chart. We triggered this bullish pivot point. We rejected this bearish candlestick pattern on the daily chart. We made a false breakout of this bearish pivot point. All of these signals just confirmed my main bullish thesis. And I had a target. My first target was 194. We just hit this target together today. And of course, I described this scenario on our Telegram channel. This is why you should join our Telegram channel right now, because there you will find very good and nice trading ideas, trading strategies to follow on Tesla, Nvidia, SPY, QQQ, and many other stocks that are outside of everybody else's radars. We have been nailing very good trades. Since Tesla triggered this pivot point, it has been going up more than 5% right now in less than 1 week. So join us on our Telegram channel. And if we analyze Google, which I didn't talk about today, made a hammer candlestick pattern right above the support line of this descending channel. This ascending channel over here. Hammer right above a support level, guys. What is this? This is a buy. This is an opportunity to buy. And of course, I also described this scenario on our Telegram channel. And right now, I'm working on more improvements for our members. So now is a great time to join our community. Don't miss out on more incredible opportunities like these and become a member of our Telegram channel right now after watching this video. Of course, the QR code to our channel is right here on the left corner of your screen. All right, so just join us over there. Do not miss these opportunities because the cost of missing opportunities is quite annoying. All right, so just join us over there. Now, I told you guys to take a mental picture of this chart over here, of this reaction. When we analyze the weekly chart, we see why the 194 is a very important resistance level for us, because this key point was a previous support level, as we can see here on October 30, 2023. It was a crystal clear support level. We lost this support level, but right now we are trying to react, and that this reaction is occurring right above the support line of this descending channel. Just like Google did to us over here, a crystal clear, insanely nice opportunity, very easy opportunity. We see Tesla making a similar reaction. However, this one is on the weekly chart. Now, okay, we have yet to break the 194. Yes, we do. But by breaking the 194, we're gonna see a bearish pivot point getting frustrated, just like we see on the daily chart. And this is one of those things that gives me hope on Tesla stock, because we see the frustration of this bearish pivot point. Right now we are bouncing, we are almost breaking the most important resistance level on the daily chart, which at the same time is the bearish pivot point on the weekly chart over here. So by breaking this key point, I do believe that Tesla has everything to fly to higher levels, to retest its next resistance levels. Mid-term speaking, we could easily close this gap over here, the earnings gap. I already told you guys this, but I'm gonna tell you guys again. This gap over here is a technical target, mid-term speaking, and this is all that I know. This is all that I know. I can't tell you guys what's going to happen from here because, well, trading is not predictive. Trading is reactive. Real trading is reactive. We just gotta react to the signals we see in front of us on our charts. So right here, okay, the situation is quite dangerous, all right? We are in a resistance level, but if we do break it, I do believe we could easily reach this gap area, to fill this gap area on the daily chart. Now, if you are more optimistic, you can say, Nathan, I do believe that a bounce could take us to higher levels. I believe a bounce could take us to retest the resistance line of this descending channel. And I'm not gonna disagree, okay? Because from a technical point of view, you are totally correct. You are totally right, of course, but by saying this, you are assuming that, I'm assuming that your reading occurs on the weekly chart, all right? So it is gonna take a while. And by taking a while, I mean a few weeks, maybe even a few months, because on the monthly chart, Tesla is also frustrating. This bearish pivot point is also visible on the monthly chart. So maybe you are right. Maybe Tesla could recover to higher levels. But first and most important of all, we gotta break the 194. I have been telling you guys 194 is the most important key point, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this every single day on this channel. So if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to this channel because, well, this channel is quite dope. Alright, so subscribe to this channel and click the like button as well. And don't you dare missing more opportunities on this market and join our Telegram channel right now. I highly appreciate your support, your audience, my dear friends. Thank you very much. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Bye bye.